can be right. Salam alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brother.
Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam.
Hello.
I am very excited to speak to you.
Well, that's amazing. That's amazing. So hopefully you're doing good. So what do you think about this reconciliation about all three religions? You know, like about that Islam, Jews, and Christians all accept what Abba Sadiq is saying. What do you think about that?
Yes, the Mehdi.
The Mehdi, yeah, Abba Sadiq, yeah. So
The Mehdi.
Yeah, the Mehdi. Yeah. You are like a Muslim and you believe in the Mehdi, right?
I believe in the Mehdi.
That's very good, alhamdulillah. For surely you understand that if speaking about religion, you mustn't know all three books. Basically, you must understand what these books are saying, right? You understand that?
Yes, I understand what the Quran says.
Yeah, but you understand also what Injil says and what Torah says.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. Yeah, look, basically, as I see it, you know, as I was...
So, do you believe in the Mehdi?
I believe in the Mehdi. I believe in 12 Mehdis. In 12.
You believe in 12 Mehdis?
12 Mehdis.
And why are you, Sunni or Shia?
I'm not Sunni neither Shia, but I am a follower of the kajti. I'm the follower of the razlaga.
And are you from Russia?
No, I'm from Slovenia.
Okay.
Yeah.
And was you always a follower of the Mehdi or another religion before?
I wasn't follower of any religion before.
Okay.
I wasn't. I was basically like a researcher. I was basically, you know, like random guy, you know, from the street. I wasn't like into religion even. So yeah. Basically, I accepted this because I saw this is a truth, and I'm presenting this because it's the only thing that makes sense about religion in this time and age. If you understand what I'm saying, you know, like I don't even want to get like into this scholarly discussions, you know, like this said that, this said that. We're just saying that if you study religion, if like any of the scholars would be sincere to themselves, if they would study religion, they would compare. They would do comparative thought, you know. They would see, of course, Christianity before Council of Nicaea was different than after the Council of Nicaea.
So, are you a kafir or are you a believer of God?
I'm a believer in God. Why should I be a kafir if I'm a believer in God? Who would you call like a kafir? You know? Who would you like?
Because you believe in 12 Mehdis.
Yeah. So why would, in your opinion, I be a kafir because I believe in the 12 Mehdis?
Yes, because he says he believes in reincarnation.
And what? Christianity also believed in reincarnation before the Council of Nicaea. Reincarnation is not a new thing.
No, brother.
Of course. Please look, if you read the book of Job, in the Torah, it says like, naked, I came from a mother womb and naked will I return there. It also says in the Quran that return from where you came from, or for example, even like transmigration or like transfiguration into a mask appears in the Quran. You can't deny that, you know, that you just go to heaven or hell, you know. This even the Quran, if I compare Quran by the Quranic method as the scholars do, I can very easily debunk you in a split second.
Yeah?
Yeah, of course, I can.
So can you tell me, you know, in the Quran, where does it talk about reincarnation?
Where does it mention reincarnation? Well, it's not that it mentions specifically reincarnation, but it mentions passages which basically makes you contemplate about it. You know, it's like even if you read Surah Al-Rahman, you know, which signs of your Lord do you deny? You know, even like contemplating about that surah, would be like blessing upon all the Muslims if they would like read this hadith, you know, like, I mean, the whole surah, you know.